10 collagen-rich foods you must eat for your legs and joints. Swollen knees, aching hips, stiff ankles. For millions of seniors, these aren't just small annoyances. They're daily reminders that the body is losing its natural strength. The hidden culprit? Collagen loss. Collagen is the glue that holds your body together. It cushions your joints, keeps your skin elastic, and gives your legs the power to move without pain. But by age 60, your collagen levels may be less than half of what they were in your youth. And every step you take puts extra stress on your joints. The good news? You can rebuild collagen naturally. Not with costly injections, but with everyday foods that science shows can restore your body's supply of this miracle protein. In fact, certain collagen-rich foods have been proven to reduce swelling, reverse stiffness, and even restore mobility in as little as 8 weeks. In this video, I'll count down the 10 best collagen-rich foods for your legs and joints, starting with the least powerful and building up to the #1 source, a food with 61% more collagen than anything else on the planet. Most seniors don't even know it exists, yet research shows it can improve flexibility and skin health by over 60% in just a month. Before we dive in, I want to know, how old are you right now? Drop your age in the comments below. I love reading them. And don't forget to subscribe to Feel Fresh 360 for more health tips designed just for seniors. All right, let's start the countdown. Number 10, aloe vera. Most people know aloe vera as a cooling gel for burns. But when consumed as a juice or supplement, aloe does something remarkable inside your body. It boosts collagen production. A 2020 clinical trial found that adults who took a daily aloe supplement had a measurable increase in collagen levels in their skin's deeper layers. But here's the secret. The same collagen your skin uses is also what your joints need to stay flexible and pain-free. Think of aloe as a gentle switch that tells your body, hey, it's time to make more collagen. The result? Less stiffness, less swelling, and stronger connective tissues in your knees and ankles. Beyond collagen, aloe is naturally anti-inflammatory. That means it fights the painful swelling that comes with aging joints. Whether you drink aloe juice, mix it into smoothies, or take capsules, it's an easy way to give your body a daily boost. For seniors battling swollen legs or sore knees, aloe vera is more than skin deep. It's a natural collagen builder that supports movement and comfort from the inside out. Number 9, broccoli. Broccoli isn't just another green vegetable. It's one of the best natural collagen helpers you can eat. Why? Because it's loaded with vitamin C, the nutrient your body needs to actually build collagen from scratch. 1 cup of broccoli gives you nearly your entire daily requirement of vitamin C. Without enough of it, your body struggles to convert protein into collagen. That's when joints start creaking and swelling worsens. Think of your joints as a construction site. Collagen is the building material, and vitamin C is the crew that assembles it. Without that crew, repairs don't happen. By adding broccoli to your meals, you're giving your body the workers it needs to keep your joints strong. On top of that, broccoli is rich in antioxidants that calm inflammation, a root cause of swelling and stiffness. Steamed, roasted, or raw, it's easy to add to your plate and delivers lasting benefits to your knees, hips, and ankles. Broccoli may look simple, but for your legs and joints, it's a quiet powerhouse. Number 8, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These little fruits are collagen's best friends. Like broccoli, they're packed with vitamin C, but they also deliver a unique set of antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds not only protect existing collagen from breaking down, but they also help reduce inflammation that makes joints stiff and painful. 1 cup of strawberries gives you almost 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. While blueberries are known for their brain and joint-boosting effects, think of berries as body armor for your collagen. They shield it from damage and keep production levels high. The best part? Berries are delicious and easy to eat. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them fresh. Every handful supports your joints while fighting swelling naturally. For seniors looking for a tasty way to strengthen legs, berries are a sweet solution, backed by science. Number 7. Gelatin gummies. This one might surprise you. Many gummy candies are made with gelatin, which is simply cooked collagen. When you eat it, your body breaks it down into peptides that can be used to rebuild joints, tendons, and cartilage. Now, a word of caution. Not all gummies contain gelatin. Vegan versions use plant-based gelling agents and won't have collagen. And of course, too much sugar can increase inflammation. But when enjoyed in moderation, gelatin-based gummies can give your joints a subtle collagen boost. In fact, a 2021 review explained that gelatin is one of the easiest forms of collagen for your body to absorb. So, while gummies shouldn't replace healthy foods, they can be a fun, occasional treat that still supports joint health. Just choose wisely and let those collagen peptides work in your favor. Number 6. Collagen drinks. From collagen water to protein shakes with added collagen peptides, drinks infused with collagen have exploded in popularity. And for good reason. They're convenient and effective. Collagen peptides are simply collagen broken down into smaller molecules, making them easy to digest and quick for your body to use. Studies show they can reduce joint stiffness and improve mobility in as little as 8 weeks. The beauty of collagen drinks is their simplicity. You can sip them in the morning, add collagen powder to your coffee, or blend it into a smoothie. No cooking required. For seniors who want a no-fuss way to strengthen their joints daily, collagen-infused drinks are a practical, science-backed option that deliver noticeable results. Number 5. Organ meats. Organ meats like liver, kidney, and heart may not be everyone's favorite, but they're some of the richest natural sources of collagen. They contain the same types of collagen your body needs to keep joints, tendons, and cartilage healthy. What makes them especially powerful is their bioavailability, meaning your body can absorb and use the collagen easily. Even small amounts added to soups or stews can provide noticeable benefits. If organ meats aren't your preference, you can still get similar collagen benefits from animal parts like skin, ligaments, and cartilage found in slow-cooked meats or bone broth. By feeding your body collagen directly from animal sources, you give it the raw materials it needs to repair damaged tissues, reduce swelling, and keep your legs strong. Number 4. Sardines. Sardines may be tiny, but they're loaded with collagen, especially because you eat the whole fish, including bones and skin. Those parts are rich in collagen and minerals that strengthen joints. In addition, sardines contain omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and protect cartilage from breakdown. This powerful combination makes them a double win for seniors battling stiffness and swelling. Easy to find, canned, and ready to eat. Sardines can be added to salads, mashed on toast, or mixed into pasta. By including them in your diet, you're not just getting protein, you're nourishing your joints with collagen directly where it's needed most. Number 3. Fish skin, especially from salmon, mackerel, and cod, is one of the richest natural sources of collagen. By eating the skin along with the meat, you're giving your body a direct supply of type 1 collagen, the same type that makes up the majority of your joints, ligaments, and bones. What makes fish collagen unique is how easily your body absorbs it. Research shows that marine collagen is smaller in size than animal collagen, which means it penetrates tissues quickly and gets to work repairing tendons, easing stiffness, and restoring flexibility. Including fish skin in your meals can also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which calm inflammation and help lubricate your joints from the inside out. That combination of collagen and healthy fats makes it a powerhouse for seniors dealing with leg pain and swelling. Whether grilled, baked, or simmered into soups, fish skin is a delicious, comforting way to strengthen your joints and keep your legs moving with ease. Number 2. Chicken with skin. Chicken is already a senior-friendly protein, but when you keep the skin on, you unlock an incredible collagen source. The skin and cartilage of chicken are packed with collagen that directly benefits your joints. In fact, studies have found that collagen from chicken cartilage can improve skin elasticity and joint comfort. Eating chicken with the skin still attached gives you that natural collagen boost with no extra effort. Affordable, widely available, and versatile in cooking, skin-on chicken is an easy and delicious way to help your body fight swelling and rebuild cartilage naturally. Number 1. Beef bone broth. Finally, at number 1, we have the most collagen-rich food of all, beef bone broth. Made by simmering beef bones for hours, this broth releases a concentrated supply of type 1 collagen, the most important type for keeping joints strong and skin youthful. Beef bone broth also provides essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which work alongside collagen to strengthen bones and improve mobility. Daily consumption has been linked to reduced stiffness, decreased swelling, and improved comfort in seniors with joint pain. Whether you sip it like tea or use it as a base for soups, beef bone broth is the single most powerful way to restore collagen naturally. For seniors dealing with aching legs or swollen knees, beef bone broth is a game changer. So there you have it, the 10 collagen-rich foods that can rebuild your joints, shrink swelling, and bring strength back to your legs. From simple vegetables like broccoli and berries to powerful superfoods like bone broth and chicken skin, these are natural, affordable ways to give your body what it's missing. Remember, your body wants to heal itself. It just needs the right fuel. By adding these foods to your meals, you're giving your joints the building blocks to stay strong, flexible, and pain-free. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Feel Fresh 360 for more science-backed tips on senior health. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these collagen foods will you try first? I'd love to know. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.